Welcome to Horizontal Multiplication and Division Booklet 12, dividing with 5, 6, and 7 with remainders. Now, our previous video, HMD 11, kind of demonstrated how to work with remainders. And so today, actually, we're not going to be dealing with the same examples in the middle. What we're going to be doing, actually, is kind of introducing the distributive property. And so we're going to really kind of work on a little bit of a shorthand way to kind of figure out some higher level multiplication. If I asked you what is 43 times 5, most of you are going to go, well, I don't know that off the top of my head. That's too high. You can actually do it quite simply. And so what we're going to do is realize 43 is the same thing as 40 plus 3. So if I asked you what's 43 times 5, you could basically multiply 40 times 5 and 3 times 5, and then basically add those numbers together. Now, hopefully, you do know 40 times 5, that one would be 200. And 3 times 5, you should know, is 15. So if you add them together, you get a total of 215. Since 35 is equal to 30 plus 5, then 35 times 7, you're going to get 30 times 7 and 5 times 7. It's like you're distributing 7 through both of them. So then you're going to get 210. And 35, so they'll add up to 245. Let's keep going down. Since 72 is equal to 70 plus 2, then 72 times 5 is like saying 70 times 5 and 2 times 5. That gives you 350 plus 10, which equals 360. Now let's go back over and do basic division like we've been doing. So 0 divided by 5 is just going to be 0. And 5 divided by 5 is just going to be 1. 6 divided by 5 is going to be 1 remainder 1 because it goes in one time evenly and has 1 left over. 7 divided by 5 would be 1 remainder 2, then 1 remainder 3, then 1 remainder 4, and then 2. And then also the same pattern goes through again. So it's going to be 2, 2R1, 2R2, 2R3, and 2R4. And so on. Nothing's really going to change there. It's going to be the same pattern all the way down. Moving over to page 5, we're only going to do fill in the missing numbers because we just did 4 examples of the distributive property over there. So then let's do, what is 0 divided by 6? Well, that's going to be 0. And 6 divided by 6? Well, that's 1. So 7 divided by 6, 6 goes into that evenly without going over one time. And it has 1 left over. So it's 1 remainder 1. 8 divided by 6 is 1 remainder 2, 1 remainder 3, 1 remainder 4, 1 remainder 5, and then, obviously, 12 divided by 6 would be 2. Let's go ahead and move on to page number 9, dividing by 7s. Again, just fill in the missing numbers. It's the exact same pattern. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you those right there. You get 0, 1, 1R1, 1R2, 1R3, 1R4, 1R5, and 1R6. And obviously, 14 divided by 7 would be 2. The remainders, again, are always smaller than the divisors. Again, if you have any questions, please ask your Gideon instructor, and they'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay, good luck.